Hi everybody, today is Arduino challenge number 6 and I have my sketch right here. For this challenge we are going to use a button as a sensor for the Arduino. The Arduino will feel the button in or out and it will send a signal to the LED. So I define the button pin as pin number 8. I define the LED pin as pin number 6. And I put an integer variable, which would be 1 or 0. Button state. Button state is how is the button, push down or out. So for my setup, I put void setup pin mode output, the LED, and pin mode, the button is input because it will feel the input so that it could send a signal to the LED. For the loop, I put the button state. It's going to read, digital read how is the state, the button through the button pin. And then if button state is high, then you digital write the pin, the LED pin as high, and the LED will go on. Else, if the button state is low, then you digital write the LED pin low. And that's it. So let's see how it works. Okay, for this project, we're going to need a breadboard, an Arduino board, and we're going to need a button, and a 1000K resistor, and an LED, and I chose a 220 ohm resistor. You could use a 300 about resistor, and 220 works well, and also some jumper cables. So let's get ready to connect our project. To connect our project, we're going to begin by putting the button right in the middle of the breadboard and putting our LED right in the middle of the breadboard with positive to this side is positive, so I remember that. And so we are going to add a 1000 resistor from the end of the button to the negative, and we are going to add positive and negative to our board. A 5 volt right here, go to positive, and then negative, I'm going to use a green. Ground, which is next to the 5 volts, goes to ground. And so now I have power there. I am going to bring a positive power to the button right here next to the button. And then I am going to bring negative to the light. And then I'm going to use my resistor so that I can blow the light, and I'm going to put a resistor next to the light, the LED, so that I get less power to the LED. And now I'm going to use my pins. Pin 6 is for my button, so I'm going to put it, I put it too close on this. Let me put it right here. So I left a space so I can put the button, then the pin, and then the resistor. And then the other pin is number 8. So I'm going to find my number 8 and put it to my LED before the resistor, at the end of the resistor, sorry, the end of the resistor. And if my connections are correct, I'm bringing power to the button, and the button going to according to my sketch. Okay, stop. So according to my sketch, I'm wrong because buttons pin is 8 and LED pin is 6. So now it's connected. So I am going to press the button and the LED needs to go on because this is an input button and pin 8 is an input and sends positive down to the input, and then the board fills the input and sends another input to the LED. And this is how you connect an LED controlled by a button input. Thanks for watching.